Joket mwandu mawuok e pacho ka koro ijiwo mondo okaw thuolo mag ohala mayudore e riwruoge e pinje Afrika ma ugwe kata EAC. Jaod bura mar EAC Maina Korobia koro jiwo weg kembe maloso mwandu mondo ogo kwan kod ji milion 300 mayudore e pinjego mag Afrika ma ugwe mondo giyar ohelnigi. Korobia ne oloso bang'e yawo ayanga papa ma oket thenge ne kembe mag loso mwandu ma iluongo ni Grand Maria e gwenge Mathika. Joket mwandu mane oyuoro e nyasino ne ogolo ywak ewi deko kod yudo lesen mag timo ohala.
I want to challenge our business personalities that they should have in mind a 300 million people market of the East Africa community, and Nairobi can serve as the center of these businesses.
Hiyo kazi ya wale watu wanafanya counterfeiting ni watu wahuni sana, na sisi hatuna uwezo wa kuweza kuwapiga peke yetu. Sasa ndio tunahusiana na serikali kuwapatia hizo hints ili pia watusaidie katika hiyo kazi.
Na ningeomba serikali na vile ilisema jana itaangalia maneno ya counterfeit, iendelee na hiyo mpango, na tunashukuru sana.
We feel that the liquor manufacturing companies should be given the specification of these parameters and be allowed to procure directly from the manufacturers.
Business park is very important because we need to give support to people who cannot own land. You need to allow us to do subdivisions so that small people can build godowns, can start small factories, because not everybody has a lot of money.